My name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around the MG ZS exclusive in this stunning metallic laser blue with an incredibly low mileage at just 17,389. Being the exclusive model, this particular car comes with some great features, including the coloured touchscreen on the inside there. This features navigation, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got the cruise control inside and much more. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you've also got the added benefit of the rear parking sensors and the reversing camera as well. The car is in excellent condition. If you'd like any more information about this particular vehicle or would like to book an appointment, please feel free to visit our website or call us on 01323 898818.